Right. Good morning, guys. Now, successfully we completed in previous class the chapter is locus. Now, in this video session, we are going to discuss the transformation axis chapter or change of axis. Okay. Now, what is change of axis or transformation axis? This chapter weightage is 4 marks. In previous chapter we discussed locus is also 4 marks weightage. Now we get the IP exam. We can expect the two questions, one from locus, one from transformation axis. Each question carrying the 4 marks. Okay. Now here the change of axis and transformation axis. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss. We have clearly the word mentioning the change of axis or transformation of axis. Change of axis means to change the axis one position to another position is called simply the change of axis. Now, in change of axis or transformation axis, we have two notations or two words. The first one is translation of axis. The first one is translation of axis. Translation of axis. And the second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. The first one is transformation axis, translation axis, and the second one is translation of axis. The second one is translation of axis. Now we are going to discuss the first one is translation of axis. The translation of axis means the translation axis. Translation axis. Translation of axis. Translation of axis. What is translation of axis means? Now we are taking the one real axis. We are going to take one real axis here. Okay, it is any real axis. Now here we have that is small x, small y, and here x dash, and it is y dash. It is any origin. We are taking one real axis here x and y and x. I mean y o y dash, x o x dash. Now what I am doing or what we observe translation axis means to change the origin one place to another place without changing the axis. Now what is the translation axis means? We shifted the origin one place to another place. We shift the origin one place to another place without changing the axis. Now here we have origin. Now what I am doing here? I am changing the origin position. So here the origin is nothing but O. That is O, and it is capital X, and this axis is capital Y, and it is capital X dash, and it is capital Y dash. So what is translation axis means? To change the or to moving origin one place to another place without changing the axes. So that is called a translation of axis. Once again I am repeating, that is translation axis means which moving the origin one place to another place without changing the axis is called a translation of axis. Now here origin moving, the center is nothing but here we get that is h comma k. So newly shifting the intersection between the lines is nothing but h comma k. So origin moving to another point. So the another point is nothing but h comma k. So based on we have the formulas. Based on this we have two formulas. That is small x equal to here capital X plus h, and small y equal to that is capital Y plus k. capital Y plus K. Small x equal to capital X plus H and small y equal to Y plus K. Now here small x comma y are old axis, original axis. Old axis are original axis. Now here capital X comma y are new axis. Here the new axis. Okay, the H comma K is the origin moved point. The H comma K is origin shifting point is H comma K. So where small x comma small y are original or old axis and capital X comma y are new axis. Now H comma K origin shifted point. Okay. Now this is the translation axis. Now coming to the next one is we have the rotation of axis. The second one is rotation of axis. The second one is rotation of axis. What is rotation of axis means? Now suppose here it is a real axis. Here x, a small x and small y, small x dash, small y dash, and it is a origin O. Okay, it is a real axis. Okay, now we are going to discuss the rotation axis. Rotation axis means to change the direction of axis without moving the origin. Rotation of axis means to rotate the axis, rotating the axis without changing the origin. This is called a rotation of axis. Rotation of axis means to change or rotating the axis without changing the origin. So how we are changing? Now the x-axis is nothing but like that. The x-axis is changing here like that. So it is capital X, it is capital X and it is capital X dash. Now y-axis can be changed as like that. So it is y dash and it is y. Now here making angle theta, here also making angle theta. Okay, so it is a rotation of axis. In a rotation of axis, we have one table. So that is now here small x and small y, and here capital X and here capital Y. Now that is here cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and here cos theta. Cos theta and sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Now here observe that is it is a transformation table, rotation of a table. Now so based on this table, now we are going to write the values. That is small x equal to we have to write capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. It is a old axis, and small y equal to again capital X sin theta and plus capital Y cos theta. So it is capital Y cos theta. It is to write the original axis or old axis. Now another one we have that. So next one we have that is we have to write new axis. Capital X we call new axis and capital Y we call new axis. So new axis means here capital X equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta and capital Y equal to minus x sin theta minus x sin theta plus y into cos theta. So y cos theta. So here capital X comma y are called new axis. Capital Y are called new axis. These are called new axis, and small x small y called original axis. Original or old axis. It is a rotation of axis. Based on these formulas, we are going to learn this chapter. Okay. Now we have to remember that here in a translation of axis we have small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k, where small x comma y are old axis or original axis, and capital X comma y are called new axis, where here h comma k are origin shifted point. Okay. And next one, here rotation of axis means to rotating the axis without changing the origin. Now here the diagram and this table, we have to remember these formulas. Okay, next session we are going to learn the problems on rotation of axis.